How to plan your business using Idea, but in order to successfully do that, you just need to head over and then just reach this part of the IdeaBuddy onboarding. So this will actually show once you're done with the onboarding process. You should be able to see in here this business guide, financial plan, whiteboard, idea plan, and we also have in here this upgrade, which means that you need to upgrade your account in order to successfully get this business plan and validation. So for example, let's head over and then get in here this financial plan. Click on that. So if you're struggling with your financial plan, an IdeaBuddy should be able to actually help you with this. As you can see, here's our financial plan. Just follow that and click on this Let's Start. And then you should be able to see here your overview for now. So what you can do in this case is you can head over and then just try to edit it out for your liking. So for this case, let's click on this add or edit, and then you can put it here the startup cost. So just fill out some startup cost. Like for example, choose a type like security deposit, and you can also save here a lot more like equipment, security lot. So it can be a one-time or installment. So for example, if it's one time, let's put in here around $1,000. And then you can also be installment. You just need to enter in your account and then just put it here when it will. So click on add. And then once you have done that, as you can see, the startup cost around now is around $1,000. Now we can add some more, like you can type in here leasehold, decorating, and you can see that this also have this IdeaBuddy suggestions. So head over and click on this right here. Then this will generate the suggestions for you. So as you can see right now, it will show you the suggestions like packaging and shipping supplies, market research, content creation, and a lot. So for example, let's choose in here this payment processing fees. And then in here, you can head over and then just use that to your liking. You can add that to your idea setting. And we can put that right here in this. So as you can see right here, you already have a lot more to do with this case. So just head over and then use AI with this request that you have made. So that's how you plan your business using IdeaBuddy. Hope we help.